Very good morning, students. On last turn of your online English class, I taught you the rules and uses of simple present tense. Okay, so and today I just explain you some of the important uses of simple past tense. Simple past tense also we use for sometimes to indicate an action that is completed in the past. Okay, so here the first use of simple past, the simple past is used to indicate an action completed in the past. It often occurs with adverbs or adverb phrase of past time. Okay, adverb phrase or adverb. Okay, like the steamer sailed yesterday. The steamer sailed. So here what do we notice that to construct this sentence we have used subject, second form of the verb, and object. Okay, so we see the steamer sailed yesterday. Okay, so yesterday is here what? Adverb of time. Okay, then I received his letter a week ago. Here also I received. Received is the second form of the verb. So what we see that in all the above sentences we have used second form of the verb with subject I and the steamer. Okay, she left school last year. So when did she left school? Last year. Okay, so here the verb left is also the second form of leave. So we see that in all the three sentences we have used second form of the verb. So why do we use simple past? The simple past is used to indicate an action completed in the past. Okay, second use of simple past tenses, sometimes this tense is used without an adverb of time. Like yes, I went. I went means somebody is telling in yes or no. Instead of that, they may say yes, I went. So one verb is added with the subject I. Okay, so here we did not write that I went yesterday or I went in the morning. So here we see that without an adverb of time also we can use simple past tense. In such cases the time may be either implied or indicated by the context. Okay, so I learned Hindi in Nagpur. I learned Hindi in Nagpur means in past some time. I did not sleep well. So I did not sleep well. Here time is not mentioned, so it is understood that last night I did not sleep well. So dear children, we see that we have to use only second form of the verb in all the simple past tenses. Okay, then the third use of the simple past is also used for past habits. So it also means when we tell the habitual action of past, then also we use simple past tense. Simple past tense means the structure of simple past tense is subject plus verb second form and then object. Sometimes we may not have object. Instead of object we have only phrases. Okay, either phrasal adverb or any other word. So here we see that the simple past tense we are using to tell the past habit action. Okay, past habits like he studied many hours every day. So here what we see, he studied means he does not study this time, but he studied already. He had studied or he did study. He did study many hours every day. So this indicate the past. Then she always carried an umbrella. She always carried an umbrella. That is her habit. So whenever it will be rain or she may have the rain is expected any of the days, she may always carry umbrella with her. So here what is the sentence? She always carried an umbrella. So these were the uses of simple past tense. Except this today I just want you to give you some exercises for your simple past and simple present. So choose the correct verb from form from those in brackets. So these are the verbs given in the bracket. You have to find out that which verb supposed to be filled here. Okay, like the earth round the sun. So we know the earth is singular subject. With singular subject we always use first form of the verb, and it is singular. So according to the subject verb agreement, we will use the verb moves. Okay, why moves here? Because this is universal truth, as I have taught you in simple present tense uses, that we use simple present tense to tell universal truth also. And the earth moves round the sun. The earth moves round the sun. It is a universal truth. Then the second is my friends. My friends dash the prime minister yesterday. So here we will write my friends saw the prime minister yesterday. So second form of the verb will be used, and the sentence will be constructed under simple past tense. Okay. So now I want you all, I will be giving this exercise in your homework. So you write down this exercise in your classwork copy. Okay, on your next turn of your online English class, I'll tell you some other I tell you about some other tenses like past perfect or present perfect. Okay, till then, goodbye, have a nice day.